Hello, I'm Mukhaula and I'm going to discuss how to use the blog as a student. As a student, you can publish a blog to yourself, which will be seen by you and the administrator, or to anyone in the Moodle site, or to anyone outside the Moodle site, if the administrator allows. Students can use blog in Moodle to keep a learning diary, for note-taking, for keeping a portfolio, for reflections and expressions on current events, to showcase students' work. The blog can also be used to plan for improvement and for discussion on class activities. As teachers, we should make learners aware of the difference between blogging in social media platforms and blogging for learning and guide them accordingly. I would like to thank you for the time you gave to me. Thank you.